Easy as that. Right, so it's set to 40. Let's go.
40.
We have a green light. The machine is running.
And then you can change it on the fly and see, watch the benchmark increase as you go. It changes cleanly enough for that. I've done it on the fly at 6s.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. We're looking for 80 megahertz speed here. Yay! Yes. There you go. 7.4 versus 7.2. Not an incredible difference, but certainly a difference. We could try increasing the CPU a bit, but I think it'd be interesting to see what Check-It thinks as well. 82 megahertz. 26130 dry stones.
Oh, we got a RAM error.
Ah!
It does not like 45.
Alright, after a crash at 45, we'll try 42.
So we're at 84 megahertz actual.
Yeah, and it's saying 87, which is it's always off though, and check it. Let's see then if the 3D bench is faster. Oh, here we go.
Yay, we got another 0.1.
Amazing.
Alright, we know 45 is bad.
Yeah,
42 seems fine for a short amount of testing so far.
Yeah.
43 may work, but that's probably pushing it.
43, and it stopped. It locks up straight away.
Okay, so this board does not like you changing it on the fly.
No. Going for 43.
You might have the fastest single 386 ever.